Hi everyone, welcome to my webpage. My name is Bailey Branson, and I am a student at UNK. I'm going to school to be a teacher. I want to teach social studies for high school, and one of my favorite things to do is sing and listen to music. Music has always been a really important part of my life. I would like to be super involved with music all my life. I'm currently a DJ for a job, and I am just trying to get through life. College is it's hard, but it's working out. I hope to get my degree and teach at a smaller school, preferably something with less than a graduating class of 70 ish tops. And I'm just really excited to get on with it. I'm excited to teach. I'm excited to coach. I want to coach football. I'm excited for life. I'm ready to get after it. Thanks again for visiting my website, and I hope you find what you're looking for, and I hope you've enjoyed. Thanks.